How to ban someone from Discord server. Need to deal with spam, harassment or rule breaking? Today I will show you how to ban someone from your Discord server, fast and permanently. Let's get right into it. First things first, open the Discord app or go to discord.com in your browser and log in. Now, open your server. Head to the server where you want to take action. Make sure you have the band member's permission. Click the member list icon or go to server settings then members. Search or scroll to find the user. On desktop, right-click the user's name and click ban from the available options. On mobile, tap your name, tap the three dots, then select ban. You can even enter a reason for banning. Choose to delete messages from past 24 hours to 7 days if needed. Click ban and that's it. They are removed and can't rejoin unless unbanned. Heads up, banning is permanent unless you manually unban them later. Use it for serious issues only like spamming, hate speech or repeated violations. And that's it. Now you know how to ban someone on Discord and keep your server safe and clean. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.